Hello, I'm Hugh with HFHill and Associates. Today we're going to go over a MT electric elevation auto flexion table. And this particular one is in charcoal on upgraded fabric. And we're going to go head to toe on the table. So let's start up here on the cervical. On the cervical, we have, when you add paper, you have a rod right there, and your paper just goes right on the rod. And you can just take it around, and it goes through your paper guide right here, and it comes over to your paper cutter over here. So that's how that works. This particular mech lock switch, it's a release and hold to whatever position you want for patient comfort. You're going to do a side posture and want some cervical support. You put it all the way up, put it all the way down just with a little bit of flexion for patient comfort and so forth. We have nice soft cushions there for the cervical. And here is our forward motion drop. Okay, so there's your cocking mechanism for the forward motion drop. And here's your tension knob over here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey for your tension knob. All right, so we're going to go further south on the table. Here's your elevation. You have 21.5 to 29 inches for your up and down elevation range. Right here, we have, it's an electric flexion, so we have a position of lock and run. So in the run, we have our auto flexion, and this potentiometer speeds it up or slows it down. And we can stop it back in the locked position or at any position you like, right there. All right, this other switch right here puts the chest section into a bit of adjustability for anybody with a belly who wants to come down. You can just put it down and lock it, or lock it back level. Okay? You have an upper thoracic drop on this particular one. Push down to cup, and there's your tension knob right there. So there's your upper thoracic drop, and here's your pelvic drop. Again, your tension knob right there. So you got your 2 drops there and your forward motion cervical. It's a 3-drop table. Okay, we also have extension retraction. So you can extend the pelvic out, and retract it back in. And certainly if you're going to extend it out, put somebody on the table, put them in your ankle supports. Okay, slide your ankle out to stretch them out. At that point, you may want to extend it out a little bit more, get a little more slack out of the spine before you do your auto flexion. And you get a nice flexion there, and you have a locking knob right here. This is your removable flexion assist. Now typically it's a flexion assist in a manual flexion table. This being an auto flexion table, it would be more for your lateral flexion assist. Okay, these are adjustable handles. They're spring loaded, so you get them in the proper position for your wrist or your motion. If you want to pull down on them and adjust them to a different position, you can do that. They're adjustable and quick lock. All right, this particular table also has rotation lock, so you can do some side to side. Let's see if we get that unlocked. There we go. Side to side like that. We can lock it back. All right. Okay. So that is your table, Milburn MT Elevation Autoflex. Thank you.